Welcome back to McPhee Ford. Today we'll be looking at this beautiful 1987 Buick Grand National. Now this particular Grand National is finished in the very common gloss black color. It also has the infamous 3.8 liter turbo V6 engine. It's paired to a 4-speed automatic transmission. Now this engine made 245 horsepower and 355 foot-pounds of torque, which for today's standards may not seem like much, but for 1987 this thing was a rocket ship. It has these 15-inch chrome wheels on the 215/65 Goodyear tire. This particular Grand National is in great shape, although it does have some paint imperfections like there on the bottom of the door panel. This is a part of a private collection with the odometer reading only 2,594 kilometers. The interior of this Grand National is in collector's edition. It has all the original seals on the floor, as well as the original floor mats are still in the packaging. The interior is very clean. It was always maintained very well. Now this particular Grand National is for sale, and if you'd like to get in touch with the owner, you can give us a call at 902-434-7700. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next video.